Hello guys, hope you all are doing fine. We have got this passage that says what? Ben Bagdikian. नाम भी तो देखो कैसे कैसे रखते हैं लोग. Okay, Ben Bagdikian stresses the fact. So what is this passage about? I need to first locate my hero. Despite the large media number, many of the media companies, for the others, okay, media companies, all right, some commercials, something. The large media companies, okay, got it. So till the end, he's ranting about media companies. I can see that very clearly. All right, good. And there is a lot of data in the third para. ये भी दिख रहा है मुझे. ठीक है, चलो. Fourth, fifth सब में data ही data भरा हुआ है. I won't need to read too much. Okay, so Ben Bagdikian का कुछ media companies से connection something अभी देखते हैं. Let's take a look at the questions. Which of these, if true, would weaken his use of the phrase this? So this is specific, CR, weaken, right? ये तो कर लेंगे आराम से हम. Then we have what can be inferred as the new opportunities referred to in para 2. So this is again para specific. This is good. Which of the following could be an appropriate substitute of X in the final para? Again, this is para specific, super cool. How can the actions of the institutional shareholders enforce control over managers of media houses? Okay, actions of the institutional this. So we need to, okay, this is a specific point, all right. And the fifth one is what is the tone and what can be the ideology? So this is good, all right. पांचों questions मुझे सही दिख रहे हैं. Passage में चल के पहले तो ये देखना पड़ेगा है क्या ये, right? He stresses the fact that despite the large media number, the 29 largest media systems account for over half of the output. Media control, probably, and most of the sales and audiences, broadcasting and movies. So 29 का बोलबाला है. Account for over half of the output, right? He contends that these constitute a new private ministry of information and culture that can set the national agenda. So the power that is clustered in their hands is being talked about, right? Many of the media companies are fully integrated, and for the others too, pressures, okay, fine, family owners, increasingly, okay. So this is again explaining that point. I'm not reading too much into this. The large media companies all do business with commercial and investment bankers, okay. Obtaining lines of credit. Investment bankers, I remember, is connected to a question. ये data मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगी. Fine. Also large owners of media stock and investors, okay. These holdings individually, collectively do not convey control, but these large investors can make themselves heard and their actions can affect the welfare, okay. Large investors. Force. Helping press mass media companies toward, okay. Done. Then, the large media companies have also diversified beyond the media field. Okay, so this para is talking about their diversification. Most important cases are of GE. Okay, all right. And then I'm doing vertical reading. Okay, GE has contributed, acquisition, okay, reflected, okay, Reagan era. Fine. Another structural relationship of importance is the media company's dependence on and ties with government, okay, X. The media protect themselves from this contingency, okay, by lobbying and other political expenditures. So this is the para where one question is connected. Interested in business taxes, okay, I'm skimming a little bit. Reader's Digest, okay, depend on this. Fine. Value messages. The media giants, advertising agencies and the great multinational corps have a joint and close interest in a favorable climate and the interconnections, okay. You really don't need to read too much because it's all data, data, data. So I'm going to take you over to the questions now and we'll see एक एक करके कैसे solve होना है. Which of these, if true, would weaken Bagdikian's use of the phrase constitute a new private ministry? So constitute a new private ministry of information and culture. We have to weaken that. First, I would like to go back and revisit and see यहाँ क्या बोला है. He contends, he argues, यहाँ पे argue है. So यहाँ पे क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग वीक एंड स्ट्रेंथन बन सकता है ना, तो उसी लिए क्वेश्चन दिया है आपको. These constitute a new private ministry of this that can set the national agenda. New private ministry, power is clustered in their hands. अब ये यहाँ पे that can set the national agenda. So probably they call the shots, कुछ इस तरह का. अब ये कह रहा है हमें weaken it. So before going down to the options, I'll think this way. ये कह रहा है constitute a new private ministry. So they are powerful. We have to weaken and say, no, they don't constitute a private ministry. They are kind of general, or they don't have so much power as you think there is. An acceleration of government, deregulation of press. Okay, deregulation. Okay, the aggressive takeover of media houses by profit-oriented studio and broadcasting corps, which control cultural industries like Hollywood and soap opera. Now, this is supporting it. The aggressive takeover of media houses. वहां तो 29 का power बोला है, यहाँ पे again profit-oriented studio and broadcasting with control, right? So this is kind of going with that. The appointment of government officials in the board of directors of the large media houses. Okay, so government officials अगर आप appoint कर देंगे, is it going against this, that private ministry of information and culture? No, his tone over here and his sense is not private and public, government and private, वैसा वाला नहीं है. So this is not exactly tackling the claim. Okay, यहाँ पे private ministry का मतलब है power is there. ठीक है, it is vested in their hands. ये 29 या जितने भी उसने नंबर दिए हैं. So this is again like ये off the tangent जा रहा है. तो ये eliminated है, ये eliminated है. For me it's between A and D. D क्या कह रहा है? An increasing trend in the circulation and readership of local newspaper printed by working class press. This is talking about more democracy, more power in the hands of the working class press instead of the power being put completely in the hands of those 29. और ये क्या कह रहा है? Acceleration of government deregulation. Government deregulation से कोई connection उतना ज़्यादा नहीं बन रहा है. This is weakening it more because here he says a new private ministry, इनके हाथ में power, ये कह रहा है it is more decentralized, printed by working class press. In the circulation and readership, कौन control कर रहा है? Not those 29 companies या जो भी, but this working class. So this weakens it best. Okay, I agree with this answer. No ambiguity at all. Then, what can be inferred as the new opportunities referred to in para 2? चलो ये कर सकते हैं, para specific है ना? So for this, I'll go back and read quickly. Where are the new opportunities वाला thing? Many of the media companies are fully integrated into the market, and for the others too. The pressures of stockholders, directors and bankers to focus on the bottom line, profit, are powerful. Family owners have been increasingly divided between those wanting to take advantage of the new opportunities, profits, and those desiring a continuation of family control, and their splits have often precipitated crisis leading finally to the sale of the family interests. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे देखना पड़ेगा क्या है exactly a new opportunities. Increasingly divided between what? Wanting to take advantage of the new opportunities. Is he talking about the profit over there, मीडिया का सिचुएशन से, और ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज कि हम ये अपना मीडिया हाउस फैमिली ओन मीडिया हाउस छोड़ करके हम दूसरे अपॉर्चुनिटीज पे निकल जाएं? दोनों में से कोई भी हो सकता है. एंड दोज डिजायरिंग अ कंटिन्यूएशन. Okay, so there is one group that keeps the control. Maybe the other group wants to give up the control. ये हो सकता है. And the splits have often increased crisis leading finally to the sale of the family interests. चलते हैं एक बार ऑप्शंस में, देखते हैं क्या कह रहा है. Okay, new opportunities. ठीक है. So किसका है भाई ये? एक सेकंड guys. Okay, so right. So what can be inferred as the new opportunities referred to in para 2? To appoint family members to the board of directors of the media house, to encourage takeover that could lead to increase of market capitalization, To cut cost of production of news in order to maximize profit. ये new opportunities is not cut this, right? साइलेंट ही कर देती हूँ. बहुत देर से कॉल आ रहा था, सॉरी. या ओके, सो हाँ, cut cost of production is eliminated to manage the prevailing economic crisis by a balance of family members as well as outsiders. To manage this balance of family members as well as outsiders, तो new opportunities क्यों होगा? And like outsiders, no, he said there was a split between the two, right? So managed by a balance, not exactly. So I'm left with A and B. I hope you got this elimination this way. To appoint family members to the board of directors of the media house, new opportunities फिर क्यों होगा ये? So this is eliminated and this is the answer to encourage takeover that could lead to increase in market capitalization. I'll take you here. यहाँ देखो ये बोल रहा है. Family owners have been increasingly divided between those wanting to take advantage of the new opportunities, means let go of the family control and allow takeovers to happen. Allow those powerful people who are trying to buy here and there, let the takeovers happen, and those desiring a continuation. कुछ कहते हैं कि नहीं हम फैमिली में ही रखेंगे इसको, we are not allowing takeovers, and the splits have often precipitated, ठीक है, ये sale of the leading finally to a sale of the family interest. So takeovers have happened, right? So after elimination, I'm left with this takeover that could lead to increase of this, and this is a good one. Okay. Chalo, question number 3. Now, what does it say? Which of the following could be an appropriate substitute of X in the final para? X. So, talking about the government, I remember. Another structural relationship of importance is the media company's dependence on what? And ties with government. Okay. And here there is X. Fine. And then he says the media protect themselves from this contingency. Okay, dependence on and ties with this. Protect themselves from this by lobbying and other political expenditures, the cultivation of political relationships and care and policy. Fine. Great media also depend on the government for more this, all business, all right. So ये dependency जो है उसकी बात चल रही है यहाँ पे, and we are going to look for substitute of X in the final para. ओके तो अच्छा ये पता है किस तरह से दिया है ये क्वेश्चन, आई विल टेल यू. ओके ओके ओके, नाउ आई गेट इट. हाँ, हियर यू नो दे हैव एलिमिनेटेड अ सेंटेंस actually, so it's not exactly like X is an entity, no. It's like one sentence has been taken off from here and now you have to take one from there and insert. Okay, so ठीक है, now we need to check the flow. Structural relationship, dependence on and ties with this. Protect themselves from this contingency. You see this? तो ये दिमाग में आता है ना कि भाई ये dependence on and ties with this, तो इसको contingency क्यों बोल रहा है? Contingency means कोई problem, कोई crisis, some situation, कुछ तो यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, right? फिर उसके बाद होगा they protect themselves from this. So let's go and see this. Most of the top members of media houses are known to have funded election campaigns of top government officials. Okay, the media houses that give more airtime to the government are rewarded with tax breaks. Tax breaks तो फिर rewarded, तो airtime to the government, तो contingency क्यों होगा ये? The radio, TV companies and networks all require government licenses and franchises, and this is potentially subject to government control. ये problem हो सकती है, so I'll keep this. Public pressures from intelligentsia, religious leaders, courts and grassroots activism force the government to impose restrictions. I'm left with these two. ठीक है? So ये क्यों eliminate हुआ? In case you are thinking, known to have funded election campaigns. तो ये contingency नहीं हुई ना? Contingency is some kind of a situation, a crisis. These two. All require government licenses, government control. Public pressure from this force the government to impose restrictions on media. Now, I'll take you back here. This line here is talking about dependence on and ties with the government. Dependence, right? तो अचानक आप यहां पे, like, why will you bring in public pressure from intelligentsia, religious leaders, and this is out of scope, and this is your answer. This, because this explains how the dependence is there. All require this, and it's subject to government control. So इसको डील कैसे करते हैं, अगला सेंटेंस वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है, ठीक है? So this is a good question and completely unambiguous. Then question number 4. How can the actions of the institutional shareholders enforce control over managers of media houses? कहां पर ये कनेक्ट करेगा? Enforce control over managers of media houses, okay? Institutional shareholders, right? Yeah. You're going to pick this keyword, okay? Right. I'll take you back. Institutional shareholders जहां दिया है, बियॉन्ड द मीडिया फील्ड में तो नहीं जाएंगे. आई रिमेंबर यहां था इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर्स एंड इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स शेयर होल्डर्स, राइट? सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ लुक एट दिस पैरा फर्स्ट and then see if I can solve it. Yeah. Obtaining lines of credit. The large media companies all do business with these. Obtaining lines of credit and loans. Receiving advice, okay. Acquisition opportunities. तो उनके कंट्रोल में होते हैं ऑब्वियसली. बैंक्स एंड अदर इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स, लार्ज ओनर्स, ओके, ये भी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. अर्ली 1980s something among the largest stakeholders. Okay, these holdings individually and collectively do not convey control. But these large investors can make themselves heard and their actions can affect the welfare. Control. Direct control nahi hai, but then indirectly. Are a force helping press, okay. This one, right? Huh. Okay. So, how do we do this? Control, enforce control. How can the actions enforce control over managers of this? They kind of, they hold stocks, shares. So that is kind of a form of indirect control. Since some of the investors may be part of the board of directors, they may remove the managers who do not work in the interest of these shareholders if the managers fail to pursue actions that favor shareholder. This is out of scope. The manager, removal of managers and all is not there. Obviously, we have to go according to what is given in the passage. If the managers fail to pursue actions that favor shareholder returns, institutional investors, acha, okay. I'll tell you what. Now, here. This is talking about removing managers. This is talking about managers fail to pursue, refuse to offer, okay. Now, I'm going to rewire this in my brain. So, how can the actions of institutional shareholders enforce control over managers? This question is also about managers, right? It connects with the second para, the third para where I went just now. वहां पे उसने बोला है they control stocks, okay? So, उसके अलावा they have not given any other thing that they can, they remove the managers, do not work. They don't want the managers to work in their favor. ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं है. Pursue actions, not exactly. Fail to pursue favors, shareholder returns, institutional, sell the stock, this is connected. The bankers and investors may refuse to offer its expertise to media houses. No, expertise का connection नहीं है. अभी मैं वापस आपको लेके चलूंगी. Since many of these investors have close links to government officials, they might use legal measures to threaten. बकवास. अब आप चल के देखो यहाँ पे. मुद्दा क्या है यहाँ? अरे भाई. Now, the large media companies all do business, obtaining lines of credit and loans, receiving advice and service in selling stocks and bond issues, dealing with acquisition opportunities, right? Banks and other this, media stock, correct? Such as this, पूरा ये examples दिया है, holders of stock. Publicly owned this much. These investors also frequently among the largest stakeholders, right? Stock. These holdings individually and collectively do not convey control, but can make themselves heard. हमारा सुनो, and their actions can affect the welfare. right? Managers, how? Because they are holders of stock. Force towards strictly. So here in this paragraph, he's talking totally about how they hold stock, and that is how they exercise control. So this is the only one that goes with it, right? Baki eliminated. So this was good. The last one. What is the tone? Ideology. Okay, critical, extremely critical. इसका D कहाँ है? There are only three options. Okay. Opposed to privatization of media? No, obviously not. ठीक है? Extremely critical or critical about outside interference in the working of media houses, and the authors seem to support a liberal ideology of non-intervention. Extremely critical about the business driven media, and the authors seem to bear an ideology opposite to free market. Now between these two I'm going to prove. ठीक है? Liberal ideology of non-intervention. Okay? इसको चाहिए free market. इसको कह रहा है opposite to free market. Right? I'll go to the last bit and see. Another structural, okay, lobbying, the great media depend on this. Okay, GE, okay. Then he says, the Reader's Digest, okay, also depend on diplomatic support, fine. The media giants advertising great multinational have a joint and close interest in a favorable climate of investment, okay. And their interconnections and relationships with the government are symbiotic. Symbiotic is what? Connected, right? Together. So, great multinational corps have a joint and close interest. Also diversified beyond this, reflected the more pro-business and, okay, here. So it says here, the lack of outcry over its takeover of RCA resulted in part from the fact that RCA control has already breached. But it also reflected the more pro-business and laissez-faire environment of the Reagan era. Laissez-faire is what? Completely free. Okay, so he's showing that this is what actually was happening. Okay, and then he goes on to criticize. So he's definitely not rooting for a free market. So support a liberal ideology, this is eliminated, and this should be your answer. Okay, I hope these are clear. I love this set of questions. 5 में से आप 4 तो कर ही सकते थे. ठीक है, चलो, thank you guys.